Hello and welcome to a new episode today. Today's video is to show you or unbox my new washer and dryer. Well, doesn't mean my baby washer doesn't do anything. These are just family size and commercial grade, and I'm gonna be seeing how everything works here. So here it's made by General Electric. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of experience with GE. It's my first GE brand new washer and dryer. And let's go through the specs. These are all the stuff that come with it. Little sample of detergent and uh, fabric softener, bouncing liquid, detergent and all the good stuff here. And they're just trying to attract you so that you can able to get nice stuff. Look at this, a long-lasting freshness. So Tide, all the good stuff. So folks, let's start from the dryer, from the dryer here. You guys can see all the settings. You can see all the specifications there. I'm not going to read these ones for you. Guys can read yourself. And the dryer, as you guys know, is running on a 240 right there. Look at the outlet. It's 240 always. Dryers suck power, but I have less to do with the dryer. It's just we dry our clothes in other methods. How we use it, like prepping on do it yourself, different way of drying things. If the machine can squeeze really hard and the clothes almost actually dry, just like the baby, the higher washer I have, you guys can see here is the washer, and see all the knobs and all the regulators and all the good stuff. But folks, as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of your DIY home improvements. This has all been going on throughout this week. You guys follow all the carpet themes and all the good stuff out there. I was showing you the carpet, the painting, and the kitchen, the bathrooms. So this is just the makeover for everything. We have new appliances here, brand new. So I'm gonna be sampling them pretty soon. So let's check the specs of the washer, and the dryer here. So if we go back here, you guys can see the specs for the the sound resonates here. It echoes like a reverb. All right, made in Mexico, and this is the power it's taking: 120, which is /240, which is 5,600 watts at 24 amps. Wow, that's a lot of power. 3 wires. See how it is? We're bringing 2 hot and a neutral. I think, yeah, that's what it is. And if it's 120 and 208 at 60 hertz, you're bringing 4,400 watts, 22 amps, 3 wires. Wow, that's a lot of power. But anyway, look at that inside. It's really a big room for drying even your comforters, all big blankets and sheets and all the stuff. Everything is kind of nice. But am I gonna be really friends with these machines? No, this is just in case. But I can still continue to utilize my baby one as well if I'm running solar. There we go. Look at this, how big it is. Really big, because the wife wants it so that we can able to do our comforters. Right now we're using all the stuff for winter. We'll be using all the heavy duty, and when it comes to spring, we bring all our heavy duty comforters and covers and everything. We wash them. After that, we just fold everything back and store it for winter. We started utilizing other sheets for spring, which kind of be a little bit cooler, not too hot. We don't want it too hot. We don't like the hot too much. So So this is what we do. And let us go back to the specs here and see what it is. The washer. This is the 120 volts. This one doesn't take that much power. 120 volt is 10 amps. So calculate 120 times 10. Still, it's over 1,000 watt. Okay, it's over 1,000 watt. So approximately 1,200 watts is taking. Way too much compared to my higher washer I normally use on solar. But like I said, we have to have a big ones like this for just the we can able to utilize bigger stuff and wash things when we are about to, so that we would have to struggle that much, or we'd have to do a long wash or a long load of wash all the time. We can able to throw this once in a while. I can still do it on my Magnum, can handle the 240, and the Outback can only do the 120 stuff. So if I want to, I can do that. But anyway, folks, this is just a short video to show you all the house or the home makeover I've been doing all the past couple weeks. And these are the brand new machines, and everything's gonna be new in the house, and new walls, new carpets. And let me show you the carpet here. So it's brand new. The hallway, you can see the trims and the showers, the bathrooms, and everything. It just look nice, you know. And we have a new kitchen countertops, and we have the living room already all painted, and everything, fixtures and everything outside is done. You know, double sliding doors. The sliding doors are already changed fall time, and the windows and the outside is already painted, and on the siding. So the house is brand new again, ready for business, folks. And we have more energy efficient in the house now, more the heat, everything is fine. And I'm running on radiator. I'm not running on electric, or I'm not running, well, I'm running on gas, because the water has to boil through the water heater, and so they can run through all the boiler stuff. But anyway, this is I'm wrapping up the video. I hope you like all the upgrades and updates here from JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching live in Minnesota. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.